Hello, everybody. Um, Good day, good night, good evening from a chill Saturday night. We are we are still grinding out here, and the saga continues. Hello, yeah, sir. Your name is super cool. I just gotta say that it almost sounds like yes, sir, but it's not like yes, sir. You know, Graphic Design and Web Solutions Inc. That's is that your company, dude? Hey, welcome. Hello, everybody. We are, as I said, the grind continues, and we're gonna continue where we left off yesterday, which was quite exciting. If you missed that stream, go ahead and take a look. It was, yeah, it was a breakthrough in my terminal plus Rust and WebAssembly career, I would say. But yeah, we're just gonna continue on that today. Clean up the code, maybe try to implement the event handling on the browser, or we'll see how this will go. I'm not expecting a lot of people to tune in. Sometimes it happens. You just get like not many people watching, but it's fine. Only the OGs are here, yes sir. And just gonna chill, dude. In the meantime, if you have like any questions or anything that you want to discuss, just feel free to use the chat for that. And as long as you're not trying to troll me, I would just answer a question, or like, even though you're trolling me, I don't care. I'll just answer it and react to it. I need to get better at Rust, but I'm still intermediate. And you're looking for some suggestions, if I like to assume. I would guess. I would suggest just go and practice, dude, because that's how you get better at it. The compiler just beats you, and then you're like, okay, this is how you do things. And after some point, you just get used to the concepts. But follow an official guide in the meantime while you're practicing, and try to learn concepts. So yeah, intimidate. I understand, man. I understand that's how things work. Hey, Transistor, welcome. I'm just gonna make you a moderator again, because I changed some stuff on the channel settings and kind of like reset some stuff, I guess. Wait. I'm gonna make you a moderator. Okay. Mr. Dick says in. Dude, you're a mystery to me, Mr. Dick. You're like so. I am like so interested in you. Not in a gay way, no homo. But like, as a person. Because I mean. Okay. Anyways. Been playing with Rust about 10 hours a week, but my Go and Java projects and businesses have me to in-mold. Okay, I see. So I think it's all about like having a project that you constantly work on, and you kind of like sharpen your skills by keep working on it. So if you have like something that you work on, and I'm not saying you're following this tutorial or this book or something like that, I would like specifically suggest that you create a project and then you kind of like work on it actively, and that's how you get like the practical knowledge of using Rust. So if you do that, I think you'll get over it. I mean, there's no point in like getting intimidated by it. You just gotta spend some time on it, man. What is the difference between what was it? What was SWE? Completely forgot. Site rely no. Software engineer. Okay, fucking hell. I just forgot all the terms because I'm not like hanging out on LinkedIn that much. Anyways, what is the difference between software engineer and support engineer? That's a puzzling question. I have no idea. You're probably just a robot. No other reason for this nick. Guys, let's jump into it, okay? Today I didn't really take a look into this during the day, so I don't know. I don't have any preparation, but we're just gonna YOLO it, okay? And I'm happy to chat in the meantime. So let me show you what kind of progress we have on this. That's why I did. Maybe a crypto Mu project was too advanced. Yeah, maybe, dude. You gotta start slow. And crypto, I have no idea about crypto, so I cannot really speak on that. So trunk server will just give us the website, right? This is where we left off, and it's amazing. So we are now rendering trees on the web, right? So what else do we need to do? First of all, I'm gonna clean up this code a bit because I realized we have a bunch of unused stuff here. First of all, let me change the publicity. Is that the correct word? Publicity of the API contents. For example, we are now exposing only wasm backend and render on web functions, so the other stuff can be just private. So we just go ahead and make them private. It's complaining for some reason. Oh, not private, but we can make them like only public in the crate itself. So these stuff will be just accessible from the library itself. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do first of all. Secondly, Loanta package rename merged on void. Be false Minecrafting now. That's great. Maybe we should try it out. Is that like really like straightforward and easy to set it up and play multiplayer? If that's the case, we can just play it today. Because I mean, sometimes you just gotta take a break, you know. We don't need this. Show diff. I'm gonna leave this here for a second. I mean, why do we need these functions? First of all, create cell. I mean, why does it say that they're not being used? They're actually being used. Let me remove those. Come back here. Software engineer writes code and support engineer helps someone use the built program. Not sure Loyalty has a built-in server, so it shouldn't be too hard. I can check it out in an hour maybe, or hour and a half, if I can just finish what I have in mind. Can you just remind me maybe if you want to play? Okay, create cell is not being used. What do you mean? On C to RGB. Why does it say that? I mean, it's obviously being used. Not sure how far they implemented some late game stuff like Nether. It's kind of not good, but I mean, if it's gonna if it's like experimental, that's also like interesting, because you know, experimenting reasons. Create cell is never used. What the hell are you talking about? This can be just actually private. No, I'm confused now. This is like a... Okay, the warnings just disappeared. Because I'm not... Minecraft is not only game available for launch, probably some other voxel projects as well. Do we use all of these fields? Document. I now see why it's not used. It's not public, that's probably why. No. I mean, this doesn't have to be public, because I mean, the user does not really have to know all the details about how to create a cell or how to get the cell color. But anyways, I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. I'll maybe just commit this thing now. We can get a better idea from the generated documentation. Let's see what we are exposing. You're only exposing the backend and render on web. Okay, that's enough. Gonna make these things public create as well, because this module is not being exported. I mean, it's not public. Also, we can just make them private too, because not using them anywhere else. Okay, that's it. Let's commit this thing now. Refactor, clean up the API a bit. Alright, so actually I'm gonna just jump right into the actual thing, which is the event handling stuff. I don't know how that works in WebSys. Depending on WebSys, right? Yeah. Do we need to depend on wasm bindgen? I mean, is it just for this conversion? Okay, whatever. Actually, we can just get rid of that too. Is WebSys exporting wasn't bindgen by any chance? Nope. No, it's actually exporting it, so okay, that's good. We can just use that then. So WebSys wasn't bindgen. Yep. So remove that. JS, do we use that at all? No. Okay, I'm just gonna commit that like this actually. WebSys wasn't bindgen. Prelude. Okay. So everything is good. Yes. That was convenient. We just remove one of the entries from cargo tomo, I think. No, actually two. Wasn't bindgen and JS sys or whatever. Okay. Remove unnecessary dependencies. Actually, let me mention that wasn't bindgen is exported from WebSys. All right. Okay. So WebSys. I wonder if we can just find that section here somehow, like, you know, the keyboard. And actually we don't need to do mouse events, do we? I mean, in TUIs typically you don't handle them. If you want to like create something really feels like an app, then you can go ahead and handle the mouse events, like clicks on some widgets and scrolling with the mouse and stuff like that. Wait, parallel ray tracing. Okay, WebGL. We have a bunch of possibilities in this actually. Today I was thinking of how useful this thing that we're building right now can be, and I realized I can simply host any, like, probably like every TUI app that I ever built, which is like 4 or 5 on web, which is like, you know, I have this Binsider project, right? I can simply draw this on web, and you select a file and upload it, and this thing shows, and I can just embed this TUI app into the website as you see right now. This is a GIF or GIF, whichever you prefer, but I can simply, like, you know, have an actual TUI running here if we can make this happen with the events and everything. Events, actually, let's search for it. Event. WebSockets. Simple paint program. I mean, in a paint program, you definitely handle events. Let's see. Mouse event. And another thing that I should mention is this API should be simple enough for handling events. So if you look at, let's look at actually some Ratatouille examples now. Or we can just take a look at the documentation too. So look at the cross-term example, which is here. So how do you handle events here, right? Basically call event read, and this comes from the cross-term module. And this thing returns the event type. That's it. So this is blocking. There's a non-blocking version, which is I think poll or try read. And this gives an idea about how we should implement the event handling here too, because you know, I just want to call a function, probably, but I mean we cannot do that because this thing creates a loop for us. You know, we don't have a event loop, so this will probably end up a bit like different than just doing that. But let's see. So we have mouse event, and I'm assuming we also have keyboard event, key event. Let me search for it. So mouse event, that's obviously there. Key event. Okay, so at found. MDN key event, let's see. Keyboard event. Is this keyboard event then? What is the difference between keyboard event and key event? Anyways. What we're gonna do is you're basically going to give this code to ChatGPT. This works, okay? This works. And how can I handle key events in key events with web sys great using Rust? Let's see what will happen. Dependencies, yeah, we already have them. Start event listener. Okay, interesting. Add event listener. So it's adding a event listener to the okay. This is interesting though. Document add event listener. Let's see. Where can we actually do that? Here maybe. Document add event listener with callback. Let's search for an example of this. Instead of using the ChatGPT generated code and target. So closure. How about I just don't do anything fancy? Oh, this paint example also another good one. So mouse down. mouse move, mouse up. This is how we handle events basically, right? Key, what was the name again? Key event? Input event. No, I wanna use the keyboard event. Keyboard event. I need to probably add another feature flag for this, right? I don't know why it's not finding that. Because, I mean, it's just literally called keyboard event. Maybe key event. Do I need to enable a feature flag for this too? Yeah, interesting. Really interesting stuff. Keyboard events. I mean, you just gotta add like a feature flag for making one struct available for usage. It's like a really interesting design choice on their side. I mean, I'm not sure what's the benefit. Maybe it's like, you know, just saving you from some dependencies. Maybe, I don't know. What is unchecked ref? Performs a zero cost unchecked cast into a reference to the specified type. Okay, I see. Some JavaScript thing. Let's log it. Key down. Let's try the key down event. Drawing color. Drawing out after invalid color. Okay, maybe I should just remove those logs because they are super spammy. After. And invalid color, let's remove them. Okay, now it should be clean. Hello from pre-render. It's not giving me any events though. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Closure forget. What does that do? Okay, let's forget it. Okay, now we're getting actually key ones. Yeah, it's working. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, J. Okay, arrow up. Okay, it's working. Now we are actually receiving key ones. That's nice. But the question is, how do we handle them? Because like if you look at the cross term event read. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT about this. I have this code. I want to provide an API like this. How can I do that? Maybe I should just create a new instance for reading events using WebSys create in Rust. Well, I'm not gonna call read on in a loop, so it does not really actually make sense. But let me just brainstorm here a bit about like the most like optimal way of handling events. So create the backend here, right? Backend. And then we create a terminal. How about we do something like backend on key press, and then I don't know, this thing will just give us an event, and we just check if event is A. Do like app state. What kind of functions are available to us? Wait, what? Oh, I need to change something at least. So let me change let me change the color of the ball, maybe. Ball color. Green. Let's create this. Did it do something? Yeah, okay, so something like let's see. Keyboard event. Let's just use this for now. Just use the same actually, you cannot really use the same signature here. We can actually. Just gonna return. No, just gonna take a. Let's use a string. Let's use a string. What's the signature again? New F. Let's do F2. Is it fn mute? Okay, fn mute. Let's use fn mute here. Right, and here we just simply do that. And we send the event callback maybe. Yeah, something like this. Let's do that. Yeah, that's it, I guess. And instead of logging here, I'm gonna log in the callback. And I'm just gonna log the event here. Expecting the reference JS value. What? No, just the string should be enough. Maybe log 0. Dude, I remember this thing was working before. Into, just call it into. Call into on this, and it's gonna. What? Okay, now it's working. Alright, so we have the callback thing. Okay, it's working. So we have event handling, guys. That was extremely easy. I don't know how that was just easy. So press A. Press A. Do we get the bold color? Actually, this does not work. If event is A, just panic here. Or just log when it's only A. Let's do it. It's changing. It's not changing the ball color though. That's weird. I'm not sure if this is actually working. Let me panic here. Yeah, okay, it's panicking. App state bold color. Color green. I mean, I am pressing A. How about I change something else? Is it because app state is moved? Count. You can just change the count actually instead of the color. Yeah, it's being moved in there. I think it's about this FN mute stuff. Or maybe it's because of the callback. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. I created this function and I'm using it like, but it does not mutate the state when I want to use it at somewhere else. Oh, it's what? Running a different thread. It's asynchronous. RC ref cell. Okay, let's try this. Actually, it makes sense. Try this. It's not good, but what else are we gonna do? Okay, RC ref cell. That was my guess too, actually, because I mean you're passing the same state into two closures and both of them are mutable. So which one are you just, you know, mutating something, you know? Or a mutable count 0. Let's do this. Okay. Did that work? We gotta clone this probably. Not clone it, but okay, I'm just gonna clone it. I don't like the name of this variable, but anyways. Okay. Now it's working because we are handling the ownership and borrow stuff. But I mean, the code just evolved into something that is a bit more complex, you know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like this that much. But I mean, it's like, it's working, so I'm not I don't know. Let's try the balls thing once again. Let's do it. Not red, dude. Just make it green. I press A, it's green now. Okay. I press B, it's red. Okay, we have the event handling stuff going on right now. Cool. But the code is a bit, I don't know, it's not great. But on the other hand, what else can we do actually? just thinking and any ideas? Decode and read, or have separate time for reading stuff like computer networking and so on. I don't particularly read about a subject these days, but I read about, like, I read novels and like stuff like that, like normal books. But if you're asking about like technical reading, I don't. But if I want to, I would probably do it at the same time, because I mean usually my interests are related to each other. So yeah. Not sure if I like the closure. We already have another closure here. Render on web. Could use cloud and just say what you want. How can I use it? I don't have an account. I don't want to create an account. Okay. Is there a way to get rid of these RCRF cell stuff? I can change here into to not use closures as well. I just need some ideas. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. You don't need shared state. Make the direct borrowing by structuring your program past references to state rather than relying on shared ownership. Yeah, channels also another good way of solving this, but I'm not sure if I want to use channels. I mean, I want to leave that decision to the user. If they want to use channels, they can just create this this event loop thing and create a channel and send the event to a channel and then handle it. But I mean, for now this works, so I'm just gonna go with this. Maybe I can ask some other maintainers about their ideas too. So yeah. Okay. Let me try something. Okay, maybe that's not really possible. I was disconnected, but I'm back. Just so you know. Also, I need to like do like a proper conversion to proper type here instead of just using a string. Keyboard event. Let me see the documentation for this again. Keyboard event code. Alt key. Can we just use actually cross term stuff for this? Cross term key code. Oh, what happens if I just press Ctrl and C at the same time? That's a good question. Key combinations are Control I. I need to handle the key up event too. And okay, let me search for this. WebAssembly key combinations. Probably there isn't anything. I wonder if there's like a WebAssembly key. Wasn't keyboard. Interesting. Key down. And this is basically like a macro. Yeah, this is a bit tricky because there's key down and key up, so you should probably have like a state for each key. Like, you know, when I press Control and just release it, that means that, you know. Okay, interesting. So Okay. Second. Maybe I can like hold a state in the backend, and then I kind of like expose a like a channel. Maybe I can like a channel for the changed key, like pressed keys or something like that, maybe. The structure for the key code stuff for cross-term is quite nice. Or maybe we should look into the 3 input one, 'cause those were also nice input. There was a event something here. Anyways, let me just commit this actually. I'm thinking about the channel approach. The channel approach is kind of nice, but I don't know how to make this into a closure, because when you use channels you need to read like you need to like pull the events, right? You need to read like every, let's say 100 milliseconds in a loop, but we don't have the loop, so channels does not really make sense here. Closures are like better, but when you use like a closure, you can have like an internal channel, WebSys, and then call that closure. Async Rust on WebAssembly. So yeah, okay. For now I can go ahead and commit this, but I'm gonna add the event handling to here as well. Come on, just import that. What? Okay, let's see. App on the right, on key. It's called on key. You need to move this. Okay. Now, when I press T, something will happen, hopefully. Yes, this is changing. But I want to change the tabs. Show chart. On right, on left. On left, let's do left. Right, let's do right. Yeah, cool. I mean, we have some interactivity going on. Space. Do we have space? Maybe it's lowercase. Let's do Q, whatever. Okay, it's good enough. Yo, Martin. What happened to the music? 1 second. So I got some news. I added the key handling stuff. It's actually just a function. Pixel closure. Yeah, this is basically it. Just adding. Just drop the info. I've been putting together furniture all day. Yep, sure. Just gonna give you the updates real quick then. Added this function where you know, it adds the key down event listener to the document, and then we use it like this, call it on backend. On key event, we get the key event, and then we check the event and do whatever. So you can handle events, but there are two issues. One of them is, since we have two closures, you need to use RC and refcell to mutate the app state. Otherwise, you know, you just move stuff in the closure, and in the closure you cannot mutate the same thing from different places. So some Rust borrow stuff happening in there, so you just gotta use RC and refcell. That's why I don't like this implementation that much. Secondly, on key down is not enough. I mean, it works for single key presses, but what about the combinations? For example, Control C, Control D, and such. You know, so I've been thinking of handling key down, key up, and yeah, just key down and key up, and having like a state in the WASM backend, something like you know, keys or pressed keys. So we basically like track the currently pressed key or something like that by just key down and key up events, and that way we can like check if two keys are pressed at the same time, and we can use like MPSC channels in Rust to send those events to the closure somehow. Though those things are not really clear to me yet. So the second issue is basically that we need to handle key combinations somehow, because this is just giving us the you know, just a single key. But it works though. Like when I press Q, you know, I can select the tab and stuff like that. And on the other hand, we have the other app here. I press A or B to change the color of the ball, and yeah, it works basically. But yeah, two issues, like I said. One is the closure stuff. I mean, this should be fine, if I'm being honest. But the other issue is we need to solve that somehow, because you know, key combinations, we want to have them. Right now I use just strings to check the keys, and I will just commit this as is. We can work on this probably tomorrow a bit, but I mean, yeah, it's good progress. So I was just working on that basically. Okay, websys JavaScript handle key combinations. Is it possible that we can just do that maybe? You know, instead of just key down or key up, maybe key something. I don't know. JS mentioned. But I guess it's not possible. It's just sad. Capture key combo. I'm not sure how keys are represented in Rust. In JS, it's pretty comprehensive when it comes down to key codes. It's just keyboard event, and we can just call key on this to get the string. Let's see, keyboard event. Control key boolean, but this is giving us one key at a time, so that's the problem. Get modifier state. Wait, can I actually get the combinations here? If that's the case, that's awesome. But let me check. I want to log the whole event. It should give you, okay, then that's cool. Key down, Control Shift. Okay, let me try. Key down A, Control. Wait, so Control C. Key down, Control, and Code C. Okay, key C. Okay, that's not a problem. Forget about what I just said. The second one is issue. It's not an issue. Control key C. Okay, cool. But the first one still remains. Do you like how this looks right now? You know, you have the backend. And you have two closures basically. And you need to clone the state if you want to manage it from two closures. I'm not sure like how else we can handle this. I'm really squinting right now, sorry. Okay, there you go. It should be good enough. So, you know, we have this. So the workflow is basically you have the backend, you create the backend, and you call this onQEvent function on the backend. And it gives you like a callback closure. And here, if you want to use the state, you gotta basically wrap this in RC and ref cell. And that means that, you know, you can just clone it and borrow it in a more controlled manner. So you gotta call this borrow mutable. And on the other side, this render on web thing, this is also another closure, which is, you know, both of them are fn mute and static, and that's part of the problem. But yeah, we basically have to do that. Trust your judgments. As for now, you're the boss when handling Rust stuff. I'll ask some people about this. I mean, it's always nice to get some feedback about this code, because we're essentially like designing an API. But I mean, this works, so that's good, you know. So yeah, that's. I think someone who's much smarter than us can solve it in a minute. I think it's more about like, yeah, I mean, on the other hand, I don't think if you want to go with closures, this is not really possible to do in any other way, because these are like all the limitations of the WASM stuff. Like, we are using this fn mute static because we are calling that closure inside a closure, which is fn mute, and probably just static too. What if I don't move? You know, like it's all like limitations. If I want control key, if I want key C, yeah, can do that. I'm gonna refactor that anyways, but now I'm more interested in like how to make this thing look better and stuff like that. But yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna commit this. I'm gonna head home, just taking trash out. It's freaking freezing outside, and I have to come up with some excuse why I was out for. Good luck, man. Good luck. Take care. Okay. That's really like meaningful. Like you literally outside watching the live stream. That's grind mindset right there. That's crazy, yeah. That's like grind set. True frost grind. And good progress, yeah. Thanks. Gonna make this happen, dude. What happens if I just don't use the ref cell? How about this? Okay, okay. I meant not using an RC. There's no clone when you do that. Okay. All right, let's commit this. Add basic and handling. Now I wanna once again try to create a trait for the terminal thing. We tried yesterday, but I mean my brain was fried, so maybe we can do it again. Maybe this time it will succeed. This time will be it. This time I'll just make it happen. Let's see. Render callback. Trait render on web. Let's see if this is gonna work. Should be public. Okay. Dude, that just worked. That just straight up worked. I don't know why it was not working yesterday. I don't remember. But okay. We have a trait now instead of a function. This is better. This is much better actually. Okay. I'm just surprised. I'm just surprised. Okay, let's update the demo too. Because now that will complain. I wonder if we should make the FPS somehow configurable. That would be interesting, actually. And we gotta do the input handling too. You know, when you want to type something in some place, it's gonna handle the input, and you gotta handle the cursor too. Oh my god, so many stuff to do. But we are making progress slowly. I mean, if I'm being honest, the progress that we have made so far is just enough for my talk, which I haven't prepared yet. So I'm pretty happy with this. And obviously I didn't just make this thing happen just for the talk. But I mean, I always wanted to work on terminal and web crossover. field, and yeah, I'm overall very satisfied with this project. I think you can tell. I've been grinding with this fucking hat for the past 4 streams. Like, it's been crazy, dude. The hat is a must at this point. Yeah, man. I look so geeky. I look so. Sometimes I look at myself from OBS and I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? But at the same time, this is super fucking cool. So I don't give a shit. Like this hat and what we're doing right now. I'm happy, dude. Okay, now factor, use a trait for render function. Okay, push it to demo. I wanna check the cargo docs. So we only have WASM backend and render on web, and that's it. That's the only things. Those are the only things that you need if you wanna like render on web, basically. On keywords, okay. The rest is basically refactoring a bunch of things and handling inputs. Maybe we can also create some custom widgets for them. For example, hyperlinks and stuff like that, because you know hyperlinks are not like available in terminal as well. So I can just create like a raw HTML trait or something. No, raw HTML widget or something like that maybe. And then in that widget, when you use like any HTML tag, it will just show the tag instead of a row span. Something like that maybe. So yeah, you have a bunch of dependencies there. Let's see, diversity, console, error, panic hook. Okay, I'm gonna push my changes. Huge emoji there. Wait. What's... Okay. Okay. I guess that was it from the WebAssembly stuff for today. And yeah, these days I feel like I am getting into a bit of a chill mode when it comes to weekends. So just gonna leave it here. W progress, absolutely, man. Absolutely. You guys wanna make make some tracks maybe? You can try. Or maybe do something else. Any ideas? I'm still around, so can try to. I mean, making music, that's kind of boring. When I started to make music, the viewer count just drops to 2 or something. Right now it's 6, so I don't want to lose 4 people. Make music or Luansi, whichever you prefer. We can take a look at Luansi actually. I never. Oh, dude, we can play RATSHAKER. How about that? Transistor. How about we play RATSHAKER and everybody just leave the stream? That fucking game. Okay, we're playing RATSHAKER. We are playing RATSHAKER. Hold on. Let me pull up Steam. That fucking disturbing game. It's time. It is time. Do you want me to play RATSHAKER or not? If you want me to... Okay, 2 people already left. Okay, we're down to 4 people. Dude, it's the best time for playing RATSHAKER. It's gonna be just you and me after this point. So, do you want me to play or not? Transistor. Tell me. I'm just gonna do it if you want me to. Otherwise, I don't want to. Actually, I want to. Because, I mean, I fucking paid how much? How much was this game? $2, $5, whatever. I paid the, like, I didn't even check the gameplay or anything. I just paid $5, and then it's fucking me, dude. It's just haunting me ever since then. Because, okay, just click play. Just click play. Playtime 5 minutes. That's the whole time that I just experimented. It's just gonna crash my streaming setup probably. I am ready for that. Let's see how bad it will crash. Let's see how bad it's gonna get. I can just kill these rustlang other processes. Okay. Didn't crash my setup. Interesting. Interesting. Anyways.
Are you tired of dealing with pesky rats that just won't leave you alone? Introducing RATSHAKER, the fast, easy, and fun way to keep rats in check. Just hold, shake, and watch that meter.
How's the audio? Is it good enough or should I boost it? Oh my god. Here we go. Okay. Guys, this is the game. You just shake the rat. You just shake the rat. Dude, I'm really bad at this game. Like, I'm just shaking it, but super slow. What the hell? Yes, this is the game. The squeeze part is so bad, dude. I'd like to thank Transistor for making me play this game. Hey, Adam. Yeah, we're just shaking the rat. I am so slow. Is there a trick to this? Okay, I don't stop. I wonder how they actually recorded the audio for this game. Like, some people just went into the studio and just recorded these fucking crazy sounds for RATSHAKER. How long are you doing this for? This is my workout, by the way. I'm doing this for like three sets. Dude, I've been doing this for the last 2 minutes. Like, you don't see my hand, but my hand is actually hurting right now. I'm literally shaking the mouse. Anyways, shaking the mouse, like, no pun intended. Yeah, I feel it. I feel it on my hand. Taste the what?
It doesn't matter how much you shake me. You can't undo what has been done.
Dude, what is this game? Like, do I just shake? I don't even walk in this game. I just shake. Can't undo the grind. Yeah. You get to walk after the workout, hopefully. Okay, I found a trick. I don't shake it anymore. I just move my mouse around. You shake, RATSHAKER, you shake the rat. I'm shaking it, dude. This game is so sus. So fucking sus, man. Stop, I stopped. Squeeze. Dude, why the fuck this game exists? Can I just walk now? Let me fucking walk.
I yield. You've broken my will, O great shaker of rats. The answers you seek are over there. Beyond that hill stands a house that was not there before. A house that has no familiar shape. A house built by sin. Go now, RATSHAKER. Seek what you yearn for.
Just don't go to the barn on the right. Why are you giving me spoilers? Maybe I just wanted to go there. The background noises are weird. Okay, Transtruck, just tell me if there are any jump scares in this game. I'm just gonna go into the house.
This is where it happened. You must know what's inside. And there's no turning back. You must find it.
Find.
Abandon hope. Ye who enter here.
Find what? The flies are rats. Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, glitch. RATSHAKER, RATSHAKER, rat. I like the graphics a lot for some reason. I'm gonna go back, dude. Oh, this is just the exit. You interact with squeeze always. It's a fucking weird ass game. Okay, how do I, what do I do? Do I just go? Open the fucking door. Do I just shake? So you just build this up and then... Gratitude.
I actually have anti-rat shaking powers.
Find what? Just tell me what it is. Is it like cheese? It's probably not cheese though. Okay, we're just gonna shake the rat in advance, because
Your actions have permanent consequences, you know.
what the fuck was that? Are those sausages? Dude, this game has jump scares. Why are you making me play a horror game?
Are you tired of dealing with pesky rats that just won't leave you alone? Introducing RATSHAKER, the fast, easy, and fun way to keep rats in check.
Just gonna shake a little bit more.
You have a nasty ratitude.
Nice painting. Okay, is there anything else that I can just interact here? This is where we came from.
Actually, don't do that.
Don't do what? Oh, this? Wait, what is this? Show me. What happened just now? Oh, I can just interact with everything? Oh. Oh, wait. Okay, what did I do just now? Did I just pick that thing up? Can I just throw you into fire? Wait, I can? No, probably not. We found it. Oh, okay. That was it. That was it. Okay. It's gonna go now. Oh. Okay, Slenderman. How did they come up with this game?
Currently under attack.
Can I interact with these things? Dude, it's the same fucking place. Fucking ISIS. Did we just die?
You have a nasty ratitude. Emergency. I'm currently under attack. It doesn't matter how much you shake me. You can't undo what's been done.
Okay, don't touch the sofa. It just blows up. How about... Okay, don't touch it. Just open the fucking door already. I'm out of my shake meter, shake mana, whatever. What happens? No need for toilet. Okay. It's creepy anyways. What are we trying to find exactly?
It doesn't matter how much you shake me. You can't undo what has been done.
Shut up. Do your job. Just open this. Not sure if I...
Your supercilious behavior is quite discourteous. Your actions have permanent consequences, you know.
Just gonna cook, man. What the fuck? Dude, everything just blows up in this game. Everything just blows up. I mean, what? Oh, these jokes are... So I touched the sofa, it blew up. I mean, that was not expected at all.
I think you broke something.
Don't touch the sofa. Just blows up for some fucking reason, I don't know. Let me just find the thing. Didn't watch TV, but get out of the way. Okay, thank you.
I think you broke something.
Do your job.
Actions have permanent consequences, you know. Are you
Get out of
tired
the
dealing
way.
with pesky rats that just won't leave you alone? Introducing RATSHAKER, the fast, easy, and fun way to keep rats in check.
Okay, let me get the thing. Did it just... Okay, then what? Child's room. Which room is that? Oh, okay. Just entering a new place. Hey. What is this place? Oh, I know this. This is Saturn eating his son. I like the reference. Eating the sun, you know what I'm saying? Saturn eating his rat. This is the okay. Okay, what the fuck?
Emergency. I'm currently under attack. It doesn't matter how much
Shut
you
up.
shake me. You can't undo what has been done.
Dude, what are we looking for? This is for the... Sorry, I'm not... You close the door, whatever. You're alone. Can I jump in this game? No jumping? Okay, give me a hint. Oh, what the hell was that? Nothing. Awesome. It's literally a walking game and I cannot really... The fuck was that? Another room. How many rooms we have here? Oh, holy shit. Fucking finally.
A truly rataclysmic turn of events. Oh my god. I think you broke something.
Can we just go now, please? I'm fucking creeped out. Just go. What the fuck? It's some unnecessary thing happened there. I love this. It is great. I love these type of environments in video games. This is good. This is good. This is some regular show type shit. Find her. I am not finding her, dude. That's creepy as fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're just floating, dog. They're just floating. Get out of the way. I'm trying to find her. Get out. Can't handle horror games. Me too. This is like this is the first time that I'm in a long time that I'm playing a horror game, and actually shut up, do your job. And actually first time in a long time that I am playing a game. What the fuck? Crack it. Crack what? Dude. Oh my god. Okay. Some shit will happen now. I mean, like there is no need for that. Wait, do I start from the... Oh my god, are you serious? Do I start from... This is so annoying. Now we're down to two people watching the stream.
Don't do that. Oh my god. Are you tired of dealing with pesky rats that just won't leave you alone? Your actions have... Introducing RATSHAKER. The consequences, you know? actually have anti-rat shaking powers, so that didn't affect me at all. And
Okay. Let's find her. I mean, like I said, there's no need for just explosions and stuff like that. I mean, those are just very unnecessary. Like, what's the point? Is the point just scare me? Because I'm not scared from just exploding stuff, dude. And it's just kind of annoying too. Like, I went all the way. I mean, I walked past these motherfuckers and stepped into a room, and then something explodes, and I just gotta do that shit again. Like, what? Okay, crack it. Whatever. Stop screaming. What is this now?
Your supercilious behavior is quite discourteous.
Of course that happened. Of course. Why am I surprised? Some blood will come from that, probably. Okay. Something happened here. Did I find her? Okay, some shit will just fucking explode now. Dude. Okay, whatever. Stream is lagging a bit, right? What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Did I find her? Did I find her? It's lagging so badly. Do you guys experience any lags? That I care about that more than the RATSHAKER right now. My laptop is being cooked. Maybe I should have just killed all the other processes before I jumped into this. The game is lagging too. What the fuck is happening? Seems mostly fine. Okay. But I mean, okay, television.
It doesn't matter how much you shake me. You can't undo what has been done.
Not the TV. Oh. Okay, I won't touch it then, if you say that. Okay, I won't touch it. Because if it explodes, we're just gonna go way back. I don't want that to happen.
Actually, don't do that.
Let me just shake my rat. Before I go down, I gotta
You have a nasty attitude.
get my rat shaken, you know? What? What was that? Find it. Another picture. Are you serious? Okay. Finally. Alright, okay. Play some music for us.
Your actions have permanent consequences, you know. Your actions have consequences, you know.
I like how the stream is titled WebAssembly is not that bad, but when people tune in, they just see this shit. They're like, they probably like, you know, what the fuck. But yeah, this is how things work here. We're just grinding in the RATSHAKER now. Explosive consequences. Yeah, that's, I don't like that. A nice bed. Do you guys watch the urban exploration videos? I really like them. This feels like, you know, one of those videos. Cause like we're like exploring and I'm fucking lost already. I'm lost already, dude. Is this the way that I came from? Oh no. Bruh. What is it? What in the world is this? Can we get inside? There you go. Oh, this is the exits probably, right? Stream is lagging so much. I mean, not the stream, but the game. Hug to the right side wall if you get lost in a maze. What's on the left? Oh. Okay. That was not really easy to see. Nice photo, man. Why do we try to assemble the photo? No context whatsoever. And why do we shake the rat? Dude, I should stop questioning it, actually. Because, I mean, that's the point of the game. You know, don't question it, just shake the rat. Go back to the door. Oh, go back to the door. Wait. I'm once again lost. Right.
It doesn't matter how much you shake them. You can't undo what's been done.
What was that, a cereal box?
You cannot escape.
I'm not here to escape. I'm here to shake the rat, dog. Oh no. Maze time. Wait, what? Um, um, okay, what the fuck is this? Nothing. It's gonna take forever. It's gonna take forever to get out of this place. I'm telling you. Wait, what? I was already here. Oh my god. It's gonna take forever. Try aiming toward the center. How long did it take to be fluent in Rust? I guess for me, if you're asking for me, like maybe 6 months. What is this, dude? We are on the center. Transistor egg. Can I just... We are on the center. Where do we need to go now? That was freaking unintentional, but I did it.
Enough. Your iniquities have led you here. There's no going back now.
Shut up. Just take the photo.
Face the truth.
Okay, can we just go?
Okay, dude, that one actually hurt. Like, seriously, cut it out. You cannot escape.
Another basement? No. Dude, I am not gonna touch the fridge. I am not gonna touch the fridge. Actually, let me touch the fridge.
Jesus.
It didn't explode, at least. Should I go from here or here? Just the toilet. What is this place, dude? Like 3 toilets and a 1 sofa. What kind of a place is this? Like, why? It's not efficient. What do you do? Like, you sit on a sofa and just watch others shit, or what? What's the point? It's like a TV room, but with a toilet. Mexican food tasting room. That makes sense now. Okay. I'm just circling. I obviously don't have a brain big enough for this game. Look at this. Look at this. How am I... Where am I supposed to go now? I'm like totally lost. I'm just circling. Just circling. Oh my god. Am I just stupid, guys? Or what? Try finding a way back to the fridge. Oh my god. If I can find my way back to anything, that would be great. Okay, I did it. I'm never going back to that place again. Let me just go to the fridge then. Oh, okay. Just shining. I'm not gonna touch the TV.
A truly cataclysmic turn of events. Look at what you've done. What started with vow reduced to rat food. You are the wife shaker.
Wife shaker. Just open the door. Guys, I'm sorry. But I mean that was a jump scare. I'm sorry if you were scared. Can I get a can we get just a round of applause for this game? Masterpiece. W's in the chat, please. I mean, it was fun. It was fun. I was maybe expecting a bit more. Do we have a sequel or something? RATSHAKER 2. Do we start over? Okay, I'm done. Do we have a? I hope they also translated the audio. Anyways, guys, we shook the rat. All right, we shook the rat for real. Thank you for the game suggestion. It was a different experience for sure, and it's also a flex. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun. I'm now thinking if I should clip some moments from it or not. Maybe I will. I mean, there were no like, you know, I was like, I was surprised. I don't know if it would be fun to see my reaction, but maybe. Let's see. I'm gonna check my Steam profile actually to see if there are any stuff that we can take a look at. Let's see. So now, recent activity, RATSHAKER, Transformize, Counter-Strike 2, Gary's mod. Which games do I own? Okay, I have, guys, look at my games. Assassin's Creed 3, RATSHAKER, 4 gigs. But the thing about Gary's mod is that after you install it, it installs a bunch of fucking packs, so it ends up like 200 gigabytes or some shit. So I'm not gonna install that. I'm not gonna install Counter-Strike 2. I don't think I can play this on Linux. So my only options are this or this. Can I vote the game? Anyways, guys. It was a fantastic, rat-tastic experience. Didn't get nominated for what? Oh. My brain is still in this game. Guys, it's time for me to go, I think. It was nice. Productive. Shaky stream. The rat being shook is deep in all of us. Absolutely. I guess I'll see you tomorrow. You know, the grind never ends. We're just gonna continue. And yeah, keep shaking that rat, everybody. Keep shaking it, you know, never stop. May the rat shaking never end. So yeah, guys, good night, I guess. It was a pleasure being here, streaming, and yeah, join the Discord, whatever. You know the drill. And we're gonna continue later on. Good night. Take care, everybody. 07.